Here's a mix of Rubik's Cube, and I'm going to show you a little magic trick with this. What you do is you ask somebody to give it a random face turn. So you throw it to somebody and who then gives any face a single turn, and they throw it to somebody else and they also give a single face some turn, and then you get it back, and without even looking you put it behind your back and you start solving it. I think I'm nearly there. You see, just a few more moves and it's solved without looking. Here's an explanation of the magic trick I just did. The only move sequence you need to know is the super flip. This is a move sequence that flips all 12 edges. The easiest way to do this is as follows. You move the middle layer up and move the top face clockwise once, and repeat that, doing it 4 times altogether, and what this does is it flips 4 of the edges. Now rotate the cube around this corner like that, and then repeat those moves. So now 4 more edges are flipped, and again rotate around that corner and do the moves one more time, and then the final 4 edges are flipped. So now all edges have been flipped. It still doesn't look really mixed up because you can see these crosses. So what I do is I do one more move. So now it looks properly mixed up, and for good measure I then do another move, but I remember this one. I remember I've moved the yellow face a half turn. So you come out with this cube and it looks properly mixed up, and you say that you want somebody to do some random moves, further random moves on it, and I show it by doing a half turn on the yellow face, undoing that last move I did before. So now it's mixed up only by a super flip and one random move, and so I hand it to somebody who does a random move, and somebody else who then also does a random move. So now it's mixed up by the super flip plus 3 moves. When it's handed back, all you have to do is do the super flip, and because the super flip commutes with any other set of moves, what you're left with is the 3 moves, the 2 moves that they did plus the 1 move you did at the start. So this is fairly easy to do just immediately, just by intuition. So you undo those 3 moves and you're there, it's solved.